So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and most of you are wondering about the Arcade Insider email, when it will be coming. So here is a quick update regarding it, but before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video. First of all, if you don't know what is the Arcade Insider email, it contains all your points. So most of you are asking how we'll just view our points, how much we have earned in the arcade. So it's just like a monthly statement. Okay, it is released each month. Okay, it is released each month and it will contain all the arcade points which you have earned from a particular time duration. Okay, so this is a sampled Arcade Insider email. As per the updates, it will be coming from today till 11th or 12th. You can just approximate because the last Insider email was out on 12th of January, 12th of February. So we are expecting from today till tomorrow or maybe up to 12th your Arcade Insider will be coming very soon, so stay tuned for it. And there will be some important information that it will contains all your points whatever you have earned from 5th of January till 31st of January. Okay, if you have completed the February games, it won't be listed over here. You only the January games. And if you have just participated in the February also, then it will say that it's time to just complete first arcade points. Means it's a time to earn more arcade points. The main thing is that if you have started in February, okay, then also do not worry if it's showing 0 point. It will be added in the next insider which will be coming in March. Okay, as of now, what you need to do, you need to do a single thing over here. Come to the arcade homepage, click on subscribe here and do a single thing. You have to fill the subscription form. Now here the email which you have to attach is the same email which is present on your profile. You have to simply click on profile, go to settings, and from here only just use the same email and just click on next. Just scroll down and check yes and simply submit it. Who have to do it? Those who are participating for the first time and haven't filled this subscription form. If you have filled in the January itself, do not worry, and even if you have filled this form in February itself, okay, then also there is not a single issue. You have to simply wait for the insider email to out. Once the email is out, I'll make a dedicated video for it. Do not worry about it. Second most important thing is that if you are participating just now, just fill the form. Okay, just I have shown you the demo and here you can see all these games are listed over here, so you can complete it very easily. Okay, so how to complete it? For that I have prepared a master sheet which is attached in the description box. You have to simply click on monthly games. Here you'll see all the games are listed over here on the left side, and on the right is the solution playlist. You can watch the videos and complete the lab without any issue. Okay, there is not a single issue for that. And if you want to know how to participate, how to do all the things in Hindi English, you can see the complete playlist is here. You can just click on it and get your doubts covered, whether what's about what's next, what is lab free courses, how many points you can earn, how to participate in this event. All things are already covered in the channel. I will attach the link of the playlist also in the description. Make sure to check it out and do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead.